How to use your mask?
Mask, okay. Then coming out to the personal protective equipments. So tatun gloves येता, mask येता, goggles येता, face shields येता, apron येता, gown येता. But the most important is आमका आता सद्याक लागता is mask. Now there are two types of mask. Everybody must have seen this mask. This is called the face mask or the surgical mask, and this is called the N95 mask. Okay, so I will tell you how to use it and when to use it. So this is a mask. दोन्ही साइडीन सेम दिसता पळय आमका, पण there is a clue. हांगा एक nasal clip असता आणि हे folds असता पळय, they should face downwards. They should face down. Once they face down, automatically this nasal clip will come on your nose. हे नाकार येतले. And then you have to just use the string and just adjust your mask. You just have to adjust your mask. आता काढताना you just have to touch the strings. Do not touch this front part because this is already exposed.
Correct.
And this will be very infected, contaminated. If you happen to touch this, please wash your hands or perform hand rub. Okay. So this is how you are going to remove your mask, and then you have to discard it. This is a single-use mask. It can be used for a maximum of 4 to 6 hours. Then you have to discard it. Haka, this is called N95 mask. Okay. N म्हणला किती 95 म्हणला किती.
Correct. वो प्रश्न माझ्या मनात आशिल्लोच.
So N means not oil resistant, and 95 means it gives 95% of filtration.
Acha.
Yeah, 95% of protection is given. Only 5% can pass through, but 95% of these airborne particles they are filtered off. Okay, these masks are normally used in ICUs or in hospital settings. Now these masks are used by patients and doctors, but these are special masks. They are used in hospital settings only. So same, there is a nasal clip here. You have to put it same using the string. You have to put it on your behind the ears. Mair kidek important step asta. You have to check whether it is fitting you properly. So you have to breathe in and breathe out. So once it is locked properly, only then it will serve its purpose.
बरोबर.
Correct. So after wearing this, you have to perform a fit check. Correct. So that no air passes through. Correct. It's like a respirator.
Correct. So जर साइडीच्यान वारो गेलो जाल्यार त्याचो काय पर्पजच जालो. So it should be म्हणजे नाकार फिट बसपाक.
Compact. सारखे you have to check the fit after wearing it. And this can be reused. But at a time when you're going to wear this, 8 वरां घालपाक शकता, not more than 8 वरां.
अच्छा.
Okay.
आणि 8 वरां उपरांत आमी परत वापरू शकता.
After 72 hours you can use it.